Thank you, BPS. I will close neutral testimony. Before I go to concluding remarks, I did just have a question that I neglected to ask, so let me ask that now, and it is simply this. I don't think I ever heard the phrase doxing until maybe about 6 months ago, Vice Chair, and I just wondered if you could shed some light on where that word came from.
Rochelle Nguyen, for the record. The term doxing comes from the expression dropping dox, which is a revenge tactic used by hackers when they drop malicious information on a rival. It has more commonly been incorporated in our lexicon, not just a digital hacking lexicon, as a search for and publishing of private and identifying information about a particular individual on the internet, typically with malicious intent. So, so it's used in a sentence. Hackers and online vigilantes routinely dox both public and private figures. So that is the kind of the public and official definition of the word doxing, and it is not something I was familiar with until I heard Tanya Gersh's story and became more familiar with this. And again, I would encourage people to do that. And I just wanted to say I appreciate the team at the Anti-Defamation League. They have been fantastic to work with. I know that eliminating online hate and violence, especially amongst our vulnerable targeted communities, is something that they work tirelessly on, passionately on, and they know that human life is at stake in a lot of these cases. So I just appreciate all their work. And I saw Ms. Wellborn. She has also been fantastic about making sure that our intent matches the language that is potentially included in any piece of legislation that this body decides to pass. So I do hope that I can count on your support for Assembly Bill 296.
Thank you, Vice Chair Nguyen. Ms.